Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ella and welcome to my channel where I make tech related videos. And today's video is actually super highly requested. A lot of you seem to want to know how to download Among Us onto your Mac. Your wish is my command. So in today's video, I will show you exactly what you need to do in order to download Among Us onto your Mac. And this will work no matter what kind of Mac computer you have. So whether you have the new M1 MacBook, Mac Mini, or you have an older model Intel MacBook or an iMac, whatever Mac you have, this will work for you. Okay, so first, if you have the new M1 MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or the Mac Mini, then all you have to do is search Among Us on the Mac App Store, download it, and then you can play it. It's as easy as that. Now, if you have any other kind of Mac, whether that is an older Intel MacBook or an iMac, then it does take a few more steps in order to get Among Us because you actually won't be able to find Among Us on the App Store. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can download an Android emulator, which you can also think of as a virtual Android device that is installed on your Mac. So essentially, you will be playing Among Us through this virtual Android device that is on your Mac computer. And now here are the 3 super simple steps to getting Among Us onto your Mac. Okay, so the very first step is to install the Android emulator Bluestacks, which you can also think of as the virtual Android device. You can download Bluestacks by going to the website bluestacks.com. I will have a link to the website down below in my description. And also notice that there is a special version for macOS Big Sur. So if you're currently on Big Sur, then be sure to click this button instead. So while installing Bluestacks, you might be shown some security and permissions prompts. You can just follow what the prompts tell you to do, which probably requires making a few changes in your security and privacy settings, and then you should be able to download Bluestacks just fine. Okay, so after you've installed Bluestacks, the first time that it tries to load up, it will take a while, but don't worry, after the first time, it loads up much faster. And after it loads up, the second step is to log into a Google account, which you will be prompted to do so. And this is because later on, you will go into the Google Play Store in order to download Among Us, and you do need to be logged into a Google account in order to download something from the Google Play Store. Okay, and after you've logged in, then the last step is, of course, to download Among Us. So all you have to do is open up the Google Play Store, search for Among Us, and then just click download. And after it finishes downloading, Among Us will show up in your virtual device. So actually, Among Us is not directly installed onto your Mac, but instead it is installed in this virtual Android device that is on your Mac. So actually, every time you want to play Among Us, you have to first open up Bluestacks, and then you can open Among Us. And that's it. Super simple, right? I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Happy Among Us playing. I will now end this video by showing some gameplay, but if you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you want to support my tech content. I also have a few links down below, including a link to a Chrome extension that I made, my Instagram, and my Twitch. So if you want to get to know me more, then feel free to check out the links down below. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. I will be back very soon with more tech content, so I hope to see you in another one of my videos. Bye!